My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to effectively get rid of the ransomware, which is called Cryptcat. Cryptcat is a special ransomware that encrypts and damages the files that people store on their computers. Before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your files without any complications at all, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data. But regretfully, because of certain existing vulnerabilities in the system, this Cryptcat ransomware may be easily injected into the system. I'm launching this Cryptcat ransomware solely for the demonstration purposes in order to let you know what happens after the ransomware file is launched. But regretfully, this ransomware may also attack real computers, and after the attack of the ransomware, the damage is absolutely clear and obvious. The ransomware encrypts the files and damages them essentially, so it is not possible to use the files anymore. So after the ransomware has done its malicious job, this is what we see. We try to open the specific file and we get the message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file because this special crxxx extension was added. The ransomware drops this ransom note on the computer screen, mentioning that all your files are encrypted by Cryptcat ransomware. The ransomware tells the victims that they should pay the ransom to restore their data and to contact the developers using some of these email addresses. But paying the ransom is not a good solution. This doesn't guarantee the file recovery. Don't ever pay the ransom. We recommend you to immediately remove this nasty ransomware with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. It also works as anti-ransomware. You may obtain the fresh version of Combo Cleaner anti-ransomware on this official website, combocleaner.com. Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. So download Combo Cleaner using this green download button. Install the program. This is the way it looks like. The program should first of all update its anti-malware database for proper detection of any malware. After the anti-malware database is successfully updated, the program begins scanning, researching, and investigating your system. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. You'll be able to know their exact location on the system. Even though some threats can always be removed manually, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license. The premium license has got a special feature called anti-ransomware, which allows you to add several folders on the system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. So please consider premium version as the best solution to keep your Windows files always protected.